Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. We are finishing work on our dress without a pattern. Jersey dress, flared, gathered at the waist with elastic band. The sleeves of the dress are loose. In oversized style, the collar is in the form of a yoke. In the center of the front and back, there are seams. In today's video, we will be tailoring the dress. I will tell you how to properly lay the pattern on the fabric and cut out the details. You will learn how to sweep in the sleeve, sweep back and front details, and size seams. At the end of the episode, we will show a fitting. The dress turned out to be ultra-fashionable, a free cut, very comfortable and versatile. You can use the same pattern to create coats, raincoats and cardigans. Take a look at the sketch for the very last time. You are already looked at it in 3 videos, so I think you know what it looks like. The width of the fabric is 1 meter 40 centimeters. Now I will add 2 centimeters in length. Right now I'm afraid that my head will not fit. Here 12 centimeters and here 12 centimeters. And right now I'm going to start cutting. In the exactly same way, now I will cut out the front.
О. Так. О.
You can already sweep the center of the back and the center of the front. It's done. Now we will cut out the sleeve.
Так.
Cut out the sleeve. Here I want to add 7 to 8 millimeters line.
Миллиметров 7-8.
Please follow the beauty of the line.
Так.
As you already know, I don't like long sleeves, so I'll cut a little here.
Так. Смотрим.
This sleeve is marked. The top and the front are also marked. The sleeve is chic. Now I will mark the wrong side here. Now we will work with the front and back.
Я сниму полочку, спинку. Конечно, я всё
Now I'm sweeping this line behind the camera.
за камерой. Вот эту линию просто ровно сметаю. Центр переда, центр спины. Они
Please
абсолютно
look carefully. I
выпрямились,
connected the
соответственно,
center of the back and the center of the front. Here's the notch, that it is the front part.
совершенно.
I hope you understand what we're doing now. We sweep my shoulders.
Теперь выкладываем
The shoulders are made from one pattern, so they will match 100%. Why do we initially work with shoulders? Because then we will work with the sleeves. Look, here's the armhole. I have put my sleeve face to face. The front should be towards the front. Here is the front. This is where the inside seam of the sleeve and the side seam of the dress match. Here's the sleeve, armhole. I will sweep from the top to one side and then to the other. One sleeve is ready. Here is how the dress looks like. This is what the sleeve looks like. Now, with one seam, I will sweep from the inside seam of the sleeve and the side seam and the waistline with the waistline. And now, behind the camera, I'm sweeping in the second sleeve and we will watch the fitting. Finally! Here's our first fitting. I'm so excited and I really love long sleeves. I felt like someone new in this, like a different person. I really want you to feel the same. I really hope that it will inspire you to try something new. Look at this dress for the cold weather. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!
Михайловна и вся наша команда.